Hi everyone. Today we will explore digital forensic investigation using Windows security event logs. So basically, operating system like Windows or Linux automatically record activities like login attempts, program execution, and system events. So these records help investigators understand what happened on a computer or on a system and who performed certain actions. Even when the incident occurs, that means time. So, for example, if someone gains unauthorized access to a system, and then investigators can examine the event logs to see when the login happened and whose account was used and what commands were executed after that. So these are the examples for um, generating the event logs. So in this lab, we will analyze Windows security event logs, as you can see in the slide. We will also identify events such as failed login, successful login, privilege assignments, and process execution or program execution. We'll also use the tool called EvtxECmd to extract and analyze Windows event logs. So now, instead of going through every slide, I will directly show the process in a Windows 10 virtual machine. Mm, this is my Windows 10 virtual machine. All the setup instructions, including how to install Windows 10 and configure the virtual machine, are provided in the slides. So, first of all, we need to open the Windows event viewer. To open the event viewer, we need to press Windows key and R from the keyboard. As you can see, I already typed here because I used it earlier. So you have to type it. So I'm going to click on OK. So now you can see in the left side that Windows logs. So if you click on the Windows logs, then you have to click on the security. So you can see there are many events recorded there, around 13K. So every action performed on the system may create a log entry. That's it. Even each entry has something called an event ID. Now, if I double click on that, then you can see that yes, there is a event ID. You can see we can yeah. So you can see there are multiple event IDs. So today we will look at some important event IDs like 4625. I can, which one 4625? I found the 4624. We will also discuss about that. And next I'm looking for 4625. 4625, this one. Yeah. So 4625 actually failed login not successful. And 4624, this is successful login, as you can see here. Okay. And then if I go again, 4625, then you can see that this one failed to log on. It's showing that failed to log on. And we can see the time as well. So when it was logged in, it's 7 March, and then time was is 3:14 or 15:14. And keywords is audit failure, and computer is also showing tax category is log on, or we can say login. And label its information event ID, which one 4625. So you have to remember that event ID, or you can search on this here over there. Now I will discuss very important topic, brute force example. That means if someone tries many passwords to access a system, this is called a brute force attack. So in the logs, we can see 4625, 4625, 4625. Um, so that means After multiple failed logins, if there is a successful login, then you can call is a brute force attack. That's it. So investigators look like pattern that there will be multiple 4625, 4625, and then one is 4624. So that is actually indicating someone guessed the correct password after several attempts. So now I will discuss about the process execution with event ID 4688. This is very important event which records when a program starts. So I need to create a process with this command. I'm going to copy it. So I need to run it on the PowerShell. So right click on this start bar and then Windows PowerShell admin. You have to run it with admin. And then I already copied, so I will go to paste it and then, yeah. So it is showing that the command was successfully executed. That means it will create the event with event ID 4688. So we can check it over there in the first, yeah. So see the now the time is, so you have to go back to the again for refreshing, or you can refresh it from there. Uh, then it will come the recent activities. So now you can see the time, and also you can see the time in my laptop there. It's 15:38. So I generated this process. What time? It's showing that, yeah, 15:38. And the event ID is 4688. So I already generated it. And the keyword, this keyword is audit success, and the task category, what is the task? I already mentioned, process creation. Okay, so you have to run this command to create this process. Now I will run there some another command like who I am, who am I, sorry, who am I, and enter. So it's showing that who am I, that means user, who is the user. Okay, and then again I will run another command ipconfig. So it's showing that who is IP you are using, and your local network information. And another one I can do it notepad. So it's showing it will open a new notebook. So whatever I have done, that means is command starts a program. When that happens, Windows records event ID 4688 in the security logs. That's it. So if you return to the event viewer again and search for the 4688, we should see the processes we just started. So I am going there again. Yeah, this one. So I need to refresh it first of all. Refresh. So now see 1540, what was the process execution I completed? I can see here a new process has been created, and as it was task category process creation, audit success, level information, account name. We can see another one. What was that? It was also process has been created, log name security, task category same. So who am I, and IP config, everything is under the 4688 event. So now I will show another artifact, the recycle bin, which is also important. So for this, I need to create a file. like right button and then new and then text document. So I'm going to rename it forensic underscore paste. This is a text file. Sorry. So inside the text file, I will type like forensic test file and week 7 lab. Oh, it's okay. And I have to save it. So Control S, it is saved now. Now I will delete this file. So delete, and now I will open this recycle bin, double click on it, and then you can see the recycle bin and then name, what was the file deleted, forensic test, and original location, where was the location, desktop, right? And date deleted, when it was deleted today is time showing. So investigators use this information to understand file deletion activity when the file was deleted. So that means we can say even when a file is deleted, Windows keeps some information about it to investigate. So this is the recycle bin artifact. So as you can see that event logs can contain thousands of entries. So manually checking them can take time. So now I will show a tool which is very effective. It's called EvtxCmd. I'm going to show it. I already downloaded it. So you can see it here, EvtxECmd. Um, so I'm not going to show the process how to download it, as you can find it in the slides. So I'm going to open the PowerShell again. So click on the start right button and then Windows PowerShell admin. So now I need to go to the folder where EvtxCmd is located. That means we have to change the directory. So I just copied it. Yeah, so we already in this directory. Then I need to run this command. So I'm just copying it and then I'm going to paste here. So enter. So what is showing is that this is actually extracts the Windows security logs and saves the output as a CSV file. So these are showing as in the CSV file. Okay. Now we will filter the important events. So what we have seen earlier, what was the event ID 4624, 4625, 4688. So now we will filter those event IDs. So I'm just copying this. This is as is, you have to copy. This is the single command, not multiple line. So I'm just copying it and then I will paste it there. And yeah, so it's showing, see, time created for what time and event ID. It is showing that 4688, 4688, 4688. So that means we select object, how many object? It was 10 selected. Within 10, there is no 4625 or 4688. Now we can try to number more, like we can give here 20 or 30. I'm giving the 30 and then enter. So now, yes, now we found this one 462524, as you can see in the screen, this line 4624. We also have 4625. No, it's not there. Yeah. So within 20 list, we don't have 4625. Mm. So again, if you want to see that 4625, then you have to increase that number. You can use 40 instead of 30. We can show it like again. So I'm showing 40. So enter 464625. So 4624 coming, but 4625 is not coming. So what you have to do to get the 4625, so what you have to do to show the 4625 failed login attempt. So you have to press the Windows and then L. That means you have to lock it, Windows lock, and then again you have to put the wrong password. Um, if you put the several times wrong password, then it will generate the 4625 failed login. I shown it earlier. You can if I put the 50, then might come 50. I can see 4625. Still, it is not showing 4625. But here we can see that our first output that 4625 16 times counted. That means it was failed login attempt 16 times. So now there is another important point that actually is run this tool. If you run this tool, then it creates a new CSV file in the output folder. Or what is the output folder? I can show you also. If you go there, then double click and then again. So this is the output. So right now we have only one output file generated. But if you run again that command, that means this command, then it will create another CSV output file. So in that case, you might need to remove the older output file because if you don't remove it, then your this command might not work, or you have to change the as it is output name in this command. Like what we have, you have to see next one maybe will not be the same. So you have to copy from the this directory, or you can use this command directory output. Then you can take the as it is file name. Then you can keep it over there and then run the command. Then the command will work. That's it. So that's the basic idea of analyzing Windows security event logs for forensic investigation. So for the lab tasks, follow the steps there, the final slide, like this slide. You have 2.5 marks, multiple tasks. So thank you. Thank you so much.